many homeowners, achieving a picture-perfect lawn feels like an uphill battle. Traditional lawn care services often involve harsh chemicals, rigid schedules, and can leave a dent in your wallet. But what if there was a way to cultivate a lush, green haven without sacrificing your weekends or the environment? Enter Sunday Lawn Care, a company revolutionizing the way we care for our lawns. Yard Guy recently put Sunday Lawn Care to the test, and it quickly became a favorite for those seeking a more personalized and eco-conscious approach to lawn health. Here's how Sunday breaks the mold. From toxic to terrific, Sunday prioritizes using safer, eco-friendly ingredients that minimize environmental impact. This resonates with homeowners who want a beautiful lawn without compromising their values. Sunday's approach promotes a healthy lawn ecosystem, attracting beneficial insects like ladybugs and earthworms, while keeping harmful chemicals at bay. Subscription boxes, your lawn on autopilot. Gone are the days of deciphering confusing fertilizer bags and battling a chaotic garage full of half-used lawn care products. Sunday offers subscription boxes tailored to your lawn's specific needs. Through a simple online questionnaire, Sunday analyzes your climate, soil composition, and lawn type to create a customized plan. Whether your lawn suffers from weed infestations, thirsts for essential nutrients, or needs a seasonal pick-me-up, Sunday delivers the perfect solution right to your doorstep. Freedom with standalone solutions. Not ready to commit to a subscription? No problem. Sunday also offers individual products you can choose based on your lawn's current demands. This allows for targeted treatment and caters to those with smaller yards or specific concerns. Want to give your lawn a pre-winter boost? Sunday offers a winterizer blend formulated for your specific climate. This flexibility puts you in the driver's seat when it comes to lawn care. The Newbie's Green Thumb Starter Kit. Sunday's user-friendly approach is perfect for new homeowners or those with smaller lawns. The easy-to-follow instructions and readily available customer support make it a breeze to achieve healthy results, even for those without prior lawn care experience. It's also a cost-effective way to maintain a beautiful lawn without the complexities and potential hidden fees associated with professional applications. Think of Sunday as your personal lawn care coach, empowering you to cultivate a thriving green space. While Sunday is a fantastic option for many, it's important to consider your needs. If you have a sprawling estate or prefer the convenience of full-service professional lawn care, Sunday's DIY approach might not be your best fit. In essence, Sunday Lawn Care offers a refreshing take on lawn maintenance, with its focus on eco-friendly solutions, customizable options, and user-friendly approach. Sunday empowers homeowners to cultivate healthy, vibrant lawns, all while keeping sustainability at the forefront. Sunday allows you to become your lawn's whisperer, understanding its needs and providing the perfect care to create a beautiful green oasis you can be proud of. This video was the brainchild of Yard Guy, not sponsored by this whisperer.